How to convert USDT to BTC on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert USDT to BTC on Binance. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Binance app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards profile at top left corner of the screen. You will land on this section. Scroll down, tap More Services section, and scroll down. Under Trade section, tap Convert. In the From section, search and select USDT. And in the To section, you need to search and select BTC. Once you have done that, you need to specify how much USDT you want to convert. Example, 10 USDT. And then you can simply tap Preview Conversion and review the conversion details. Note there were no fees. And then you can simply tap on Convert or Trade option to finalize, and your USDT is now instantly converted to BTC. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.